Hey guys, welcome back to my channel African Lioness TV. Here, if you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video, guys. In today's video, we are going to bring you guys Umuaka community in Dallas, as we are going to celebrate with them today. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be massive celebration, guys. So wear your shoes. It's gonna be dance. So yes, guys, so if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe. Like and share the video. Put your comment down on the comment section below, guys. So let's roll, let's enjoy, let's celebrate. Let us dance. Okay, yeah, keep watching till the end. Oh, yeah, I know. It's about to go.
Hello? Okay, thank you. Hello? Can you all hear me?
Our president. Our
Hello? Hello? Please, could you give us an audience? Please. Everybody, could you give us an audience so that we can start this fight going? Thank you. I'm here to call on the national ceremony of
wow, it is easy. Kefanu, eba ki igwigere.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call on the co-MC of tonight's occasion. The co-MC is someone who has paid his dues in this association. He is the president emeritus of National Union of Transport.
Hey, mommy. Hey, le cuento mamá. Mama Kefan. Hello. Ma, take him. Okay, ma. Dalo, ma. Dalo.
Wherever you are,
Let's see. I'm going to
Honorable PRO, Dr. Umuaka,
Tonight is the night. When you look at here, there is no better place to be than this very place, where you have elegant women dressed in a special outfit. We have the men, we have beautiful guests, ladies and gentlemen. You are in the right place, and by the grace of God, you're not going to regret coming here tonight. Hold on, we are about to get this started. From wherever you come from, and for those of you that are still on the way, you are heading to the right place. And we appreciate each and every one of you for leaving everything behind this evening to be with this community. We are highly blessed to have you in our midst. Thank you once again for coming. Thank you. Chief, it's my honor to hand the microphone over to you to do the due diligence. Thank you, Chief.
Thank you very much. What can I say when your PRO introduces you to handle a ceremony? It is a special honor. I thank you, Dr. Umuaka. Thank you, my fellow titled man and my co-MC, our President Emeritus, Chief Edinaji, our Paramount Chief. Feel so honored to be on the microphone with you. In fact, looking at the event, looking at the occasion, you will believe with me that it's already a success. Our elegantly dressed ladies have been entertaining us. The DJ man, this place can never be bored. DJ Kenke has kept us the floor rocking since I walked into this very place. So, it will be a great event, be assured that there will never be a dull moment. Even before we started, it was not dull. Akakelen! 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 Akarien! Akazwan! Mutan! Umolugazun, Jesus. I'm sure the mother arthritis never normal. Nobody gonna call them cookies. Okay. So before we get started, I want to welcome to the floor the two ushers who will be directing people to the tables they will be seated on. The women leader of Aka National Union of Lynn, she's elegantly dressed, ready to do the work, ready to hit the floor. Put your hands together for her, please. Yes, this is the wife. This is the wife of our President Emeritus, our own Dr. Oliver Iheme, the Omihuku one of Akaland. The wife is here, and Oliver himself is here waving. Put your hands together for them.
And as we're welcoming the first women leader, seated beside Omihuku, Lolo Lovely Iheme, and we are going to introduce to you the second usher tonight. Is no other person than our first lady, the first lady of Aka National Union, the elegant woman, probably the tallest woman in this hall. Long Ijoma Otweze, aka look at that. Oxygen. Now we need a great job tonight.
Yes, thank you, our beautiful ladies, for the job you will do. I'm thanking you in advance. Before we get started, I would like to take this moment to usher in the chairman of Igbo Council of Chiefs and Traditional Rulers. He's right here with us. He's no other person than Ian Sele Tony Okafo. Ian Sele Nkizunenu Gupu. Yalo Dozi Akia, Iyomi Ian Sele, Lorito Okafo. Ian Sele, may you live long. May your days be long. Iyomi Ian Sele.
We have to get this thing going. Chief Engisema, you're welcome. We appreciate your presence here tonight. Let's get this ball rolling. Chief.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are hitting the floor going. It is time to introduce to you the chairman of this special event. Is it the chairman comes first or he comes last? This time I will choose to call the chairman first. I'm talking about no other person than Chief Jude Obama. The Orike is the one from Ulu. Chief Jude Obama, the Rock of Abo, the Orike is the keys.
Please let us give him a round of applause. I know he's here. How is he walk on Umuaka?
Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Hey, I was chilling with the bros, we was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Hey, looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it. Last time I sang, the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it. Babe, sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you, did it for love. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Dang. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said the sun won't shine till we meet again. Be waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah. Stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it.
Yes, all the way from Baltimore, Maryland, another son of the soil, Obai. I hear somebody saying Obai. In the spirit of Obai, ladies and gentlemen, join me to welcome Chief Dennis Ezibu. Yalo Dozi Akia, Princess Jacqueline Igbo. Hey, Adozano the first. Hey.
Ezo Igbo.
If we are going to go. Yes, ushers, because Bozo, okay, each of them are you have to my yourself, I hope you are Musso and all try to chat with you. Colonia can become, Colonia can become, yes. Can we come back? The former chairman of Igbo Community Association of Nigeria, in fact, the one who led I can to glory. Edekumagia Bufunze, my Lord, Tina Samadumo. What your Raman is in Uncle? What your Raman never?
What your Raman? I can't get it. Aka na ekele gị ezigbo enyi oge ndị ụmụaka.
Yes,
nwanne dị na mba. Vice Chairman Igbo Council of Chiefs. Ewere oche ya nwere special chair here. Ụmụaka na ekele gị. Ugomma. Ọ ga-arịrị gị mma gị lalọ.
Also present with us and to come to our interview. Dr. George also. Dr. George also.
Dr. George also have go near back.
A renowned medical practitioner in our midst and a good friend of Umuaka. Also never.
The dog. I can have bogey, I forgot me open it ago. I shall learn ever, never. Yeah.
thank you. Yes. He flew all the way from Las Vegas. When Las Vegas had a main coach. Every here happened. To grace this occasion and call out our event is Chief John Dike Amozie Akhu Dike 1. Ezigbo oyim ga grow by na Nigeria. Do go abroad. Akhu Dike kids ya na law ya biko aka na body no check.
For those of you who visit Las Vegas, you can't go to Las Vegas without going to Splash Nightclub. This is the owner of Splash Nightclub in Las Vegas, Nevada. Please look at him and get your complimentary pass. The Splash, Las Vegas. Umuaka, Abia.
We the children of light, and we will never let up. Never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Done the crawling all night, but keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up.
Yes, a great friend of Aqua people. In this metropolis, he just walked in, elegant, a very handsome man with a very beautiful wife. Chief Nawal of Felix Ezonia, Ugo 1 of Oghu. Anafugo ya Ugo, Makana Fugo na
Ugo 1?
Hey!
I can again.
Yes!
Because it was the way.
Change is coming tonight. Can see the sky start to clear up. We've been waiting for life, oh. Never giving up the fight, no. Start a countdown right now. About to take off, yeah. It's our time to rise, oh. We're the children of light, oh. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving. In this war for no reason. Now we changing the season, yeah. Storm is over now. Storm is over now. Me I say storm is over now. Storm is over now. Storm is over now.
Thank you. Always in California, where Bata. Ezigbo nwafu Umuaka. Chief na Lolo. Godwin Ikeme. Anya dike kids.
Oh, yeah.
Anyadike 1 of Akalan.
People, where I say California, Abiko, tonight is the night. I said it before, I'll say it again. When it's all over, you will say, thank God for bringing me over here tonight. We're here to make it happen. We're here to entertain you.
Ugochukwu Nwakibu na Lord ya biko Bakasike, we give honor to whom honor is due, that we all check all the way from our home and resident in the Atlanta section. Chief Nwakibu na Ria
Make yourself comfortable. We appreciate your presence.
Sir and Dr. Mrs. Uzoma Duru to the high table, please. Afudika Kunio Kempa.
Oh, we are here.
Sir. Our great friend of all times. Friend today, friend tomorrow, he will continue to be our friend. The Sultan himself, Victor Onyonjo, for all your travel particulars, documents, shippings. Victor Onyonjo is here. Chief Law Oliobi, Lily Gaba one.
Lily Gaba na Nimo.
Hey.
Ezubeni Umuaka.
Hey.
Hey. Lily Gaba na Oghu. Yeah, we're not checking about.
Thank you.
Dave Collins. No. Come on. Yeah, I will watch for you.
Dave Collins will be where you give.
Oh, yeah. Is the way you do, man.
Where you want. I go to Odonaka. Where you are close to them, man. Close to them, man. Dr. and Mrs. Umo. Dr. Umo.
Dr. Umo, always the way you do, Umuaka. We love you. You've been a friend for a very long time. This is the night we're going to say thank you for identifying with us, for being our friend. Please, Doc, we have a seat for you. I know you're here. We're saying hi to you this evening. Dr. Mo, please, we have a seat over here for you. Please.
And I tell Dr. Mo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to call to the table,
Dr. and Mrs. Sumo, please, we have a seat for you. I know you're here somewhere. Please, yeah, look at him. He's standing up. My own dog, we have a seat for you. Dr. and Mrs. Lumon. And look at them coming. A very good friend of Aka. We love you. The ushers, please. Let's get them behind them. Look at him. He's not his wife. Please, come on, have your seat. Dr. and Mrs. Lumon. Have a seat for you over there. Yeah, Doc, we appreciate you. We know you took off tonight. Just go back. We appreciate that. We will never forget. Thank you. Madam, bring me up. Thank you for taking us because of us.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm rightly informed that the president of Igbo Community Association of Nigeria, ICANN, Chief Ben Ndukwe, Akana Chief Igbo n'obodo Igbo. Hey, Chief Ben Ndukwe, Umuaka na-akpọ gị, ndị Igbo na-akpọ gị.
Chief Ben Ndukwe na-abịa, or the president of ICANN, Igbo Community Association in Dallas. Oh, we appreciate you. You're doing a good job looking after us. Oh, we are safe. Thank you very much. President of ICANN,
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Chief and Lolo Andrew Ebichidem,
as you walk on the market, one night the number. Every age a cake oh, we are no. I cannot afford it. Every age a cake go up to go be about Abalea. Okay,
at this moment in time, I want to introduce a special personality in Ashland. Microphone is, I don't know. Okay, before I do that, let me introduce to our miss a former resident of Dallas Metroplex, who now stays all the way in Houston, Texas. Himself, a former member of this association, Chief Dr. Abat Iwofo. Yes. Yes. Chief Innocent Nadi, the president of OPA, Old Olu Progressive Association.
There's no way we can stop.
laugh with me.
By the way, you knew Umuaka. Chief and Lord, Boniface on the way. And the way, watching a mere one, I forgot because we have a seat for you.
Watching a mere is Umuaka.
Watching a mere
that can afford you no.
I can afford you because.
Sorry for that little break in transmission, ladies and gentlemen, because on I'm talking about Chief and Lolo Chukwudi Ijoma. Hey! Hey! Thank you. Let me go back to my homeland, the Umuaka community, and usher in our elder statesman, a great personality, a person you all know him too well, the founding father of Aka National Union, Dr. Simon Amanze Odweze. The decading case is not bad. Each year, you go imagine for one, Yana Long there.
Biko,
Igwe na Abata, ladies and gentlemen.
while we are waiting for Igwe, Biko, the ushers, please make another seat arrangement for Igbo in the Umuaka.
Igwe, what's Igwe?
Matala sport one. Biko, onye na-akpọ ebe ọbụla ọ na-abịa were oche wo chief na lọlụ sọrọ ejesi eme osisi kakwụ na-egbu ama biko ụmụaka na-asị gị
Thank you. Please, ladies and gentlemen, to the high table is Noma Diabube, Chief Nalolo, Austin, and Bessie Ibebuike.
Oh, well,
yes.
Chief, you say, man, I can get a wine again because.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight a lot. Don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love.
All right.
Okay, Kamnabata, all the way from Newi, here in Dallas, Texas. Chief Elias Aman Okonkwo, Ugumba na Newi, hey, Ugumba Batagoni.
Ugumba,
Ugumba Gedam.
Umuaka from Houston, Texas. Sahari Wuna Wanye. Biko. Yeah, we're all here. What do you say?
Dogman.
Yeah, we want an event.
Dogman African market.
Oh, yeah. Shopman, African market. Houston, Texas. Oh, I don't know, man. What do you want? Shopman, African store. Houston, Texas. Oh, yeah. I will wait for I can wear a model.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from New Jersey, Chief Galolo, Yes. So the high table place is another son of the soil, all the way from Maryland. Chief Nalolo Jude Anyibe.
The Emeritus President, Aka Union na Maryland.
Yes.
Chief Jordan Dr. Lolo Anyibe. The dog.
and associates, Sir Victor Nujo, the Sultan. Yes. Yes, Victor Nujo Nabaka.
Oh, we are Commonwealth worldwide. Our people, while they are serious, we have one of us again and his family. They came all the way from New Jersey. My own brother, Sir Chubuzo Dorogo and 1 year, all the way from New Jersey. Please come and have your seat and be recognized.
This man was chairman of the chairman and people and associate Nigerian leaders. Men are on the associate now. So how should I do that? I'm giving them yes, we create your place.
Please, we have to call one of our own as Larry Phillips, as a Chimere because nobody knows. They will all check it. Yes, a Chimere Mason.
Thank you. I will seize this moment as a chief member. You are welcome. Ochizo, this is the government. Yes, in our midst here we have the presence of Igbo Council of Chiefs and Traditional Rulers. Seated here like the titled men they are, serving quietly, led by Ian Sele, Tony Okafor, also Dala. Ian Sele, yes. I'm a Bunde Zodu, I'm a Bunde Chilechichodu. Yes. Oh, coach, yes. I'm a Ian Sela Natale Kelena and the council of Botomel. The council of Adronoma. Yes, I recognize the presence in our midst. Who flew in all the way from Japan. I don't know where it is now. Reverend Father Okay Brendan Mbago in our midst. Please be recognized. Thank you so much. The next item in the program, ladies and gentlemen, there's a water. My co-MC.
Yes, Yes. Oh, we don't take anything for granted. We enjoy it. Igbos,